How to configure audio mixing. Rotate this volume knob. We can have a quick access to audio. Then choose the input channel. For example, we choose input 1. Short press this volume button. When it's on, it means we can always hear the sound of input 1. Press it again to change to AFV. AFV means audio follow video. This means we can only hear the sound when input 1 channel is on PGM screen. Then press this knob again. It changes to off, which means the sound of input 1 can never be heard. We can also configure the audio of the two mics here. Rotate this knob. Press it, and then press this knob. Off means we can not hear the sound of mic 1, and on means we can hear the sound. Okay.